911 emergency, what are you reporting?
I CHQ at the transfer 7-Eleven on Los Angeles and Yosemite. I have more.
Okay.
Yeah, this girl on the street, she's out of her mind. She just pulled a knife on me for no friggin' reason.
Okay.
And she's out of her mind. She's talking about demons and Satan and crazy shit like this. And I don't remember this, and she doesn't remember that. I don't know who she is. I think her name's Sarah. But she just pulled a knife on me, and I want to have her arrested, and I'm pressing charges.
Okay, and do you have a description of her by chance?
She's about 6 feet tall, brown hair to like above the shoulders, but it's kind of like a Dutch boy cut.
Okay, was she white, black, Hispanic?
White.
Okay. And you said this was the 7-Eleven on which street?
Yosemite and LA Avenue.
Okay. And where is she at now?
She's in 7-Eleven.
She's inside 7-Eleven? Okay.
Yes.
Sarah, stop! Sarah! Get... Hey, just get in my car. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired, victims down.
Don't move, don't move! Don't move, Sarah! Don't move, Sarah!
Station 9, 3-4. Can you have AMR respond to my location? Shots fired.
I got you. Sarah. I got hands. You got hands?
Get gloves on. Hey, get over there, get over there.
Where's the knife? Right here.
It's right here, we got him.
Do you already have anything else on you?
Get out!
Go away! Go away! Alright, go. Up. Here, don't move. Turn over. Turn over.
Station 9, 3-4. One detained, we need AMR to respond to our location.
Give me on the front side. Sarah, you gotta relax, okay? You gotta find out where. It's gonna be right up here on top. Here. Do you have gauze or anything? Watch out. You got a kit? Yeah, I got a kit right here. Throw me some gauze. Here. I got pressure on. Can you open it? You got one wound? Sarah, try and stop moving around. Hey, Sarah, you gotta relax. I know it hurts. Relax. Just relax.
Please.
It's gonna be one. Just one. Sarah, you have any other pain anywhere else? Sarah, roll this way. You're gonna roll this way, okay? Ready? Yeah. Yep. And move it. There you go. Let's I can try and squeeze it under her. Sarah, I need you to stop moving. Roll this way. Sarah, stop moving.
This way, and then I'm going to grab the bottom.
Okay. Hey, Sarah, roll over. Got it. Lift her up. Oh, got it. Slide it this way. Sarah,